Welcome in the quick tutorials. In this video I want to show you how you can zoom into your timeline in a Hitfilm Express 12, and there are actually two ways how you can do that. The first way is right there. When I'm zooming in, there is this terrain, the map, decrement scale, and you can make it larger or shorter, or holding control. Let's say that I'm going to click here and I'm holding control, it will get me there. Again, clicking here, holding control, it will get me there. The second way how you can do also is when you're gonna do play with the keyframes, go to controls, click here on the display timeline, and when you want to play around with the keyframes, again, zooming in, zooming out, zooming in, zooming out. And that's kind of it. This is how you zoom in on timeline. So thank you very much everybody, and goodbye. 9, 10.